Well, I do not believe that this Congress possesses the moral ascendancy nor the sincerity to claim that this impeachment process is truly in pursuit of our constitutional mandate to uphold accountability. Why? Simple. We cannot claim to be the vanguard of the Constitution when for almost 39 years we have deliberately ignored one of its clear mandates, the enactment of the enabling law against political dynasties. We invoke the Constitution only when it is convenient to our self-interest or political survival. Second, the process beginning as early as the 19th Congress is already tainted. It is marked by the backdrop of billions in allocations for infrastructure and ayuda programs such as IX, AKAP, and many more. To many, this raises serious doubt. Is this about accountability or is this about political leverage? Let us not pretend what we are witnessing is not a principled process, but a bitter conflict between former allies, a struggle for supremacy between political dynasties. This is no longer about the truth. This is about power. I refuse to be part of a political spectacle that brings no real benefit to the Filipino people, especially the millions who continue to suffer. Habang ang mga Pilipino ay nahahati, DDS, Tinglawan, Dilawan, loyalista, nag-aaway, nag-iinsultuhan, nagkakanya-kanya, ano ba talaga ang pinaglalaban? Bayan ba o kapangyarihan? Hindi na ito unity. Ito ay uni-away. Ito ay uni-nakaw. This is not about accountability. This is about partisan politics. This is about destroying your enemies, using instrumentalities of government like the NBI, the AMLAC, the COA, to persecute a political opponent. Nakakatakot po ito. Dahil hindi ito matatapos. Kung magagamit ito ngayon para i-persecute yung mga political opponents, paano kami? Na opponent din naman ng administrasyon na ito. This is not about evidence. Imagine, pinagtyagaan yung kalokohan ni Madriaga. Madriaga is a hoax. This is about bias. This is not for the Filipino people. This is about the survival of politicians on both sides. I refuse to be part of this. Sa aking panawagan sa sambayan ng Pilipino, kung nais nyo na maayos ng gobyerno, magsimula tayo sa ating sarili, mag-isip tayo, huwag tayo magpapauto sa mga optics, sa mga narratives, sa mga kwento. Sapagkat anuman ang maging resulta ng impeachment na ito, ma-impeach man, ma-convict si Sara o hindi, talo ang bayan. Talo ang tao. Sino panalo? Mga politiko. Salamat.
Sir, so you disagree with your Liberal Party maid, Congresswoman Leila De Lima, sa pagpapanagot po kay VP Sara?
I disagree in participating in this process as a whole. Kaya nga hindi na ako dumalo ng anumang process sapagkat tatandaan ko nung si Ninoy Aquino pinaglibintangan noon ng Marcos na may kinalaman sa mga NPA, inonvict ng Kangaroo Court. Sabi ko, ganito rin.
Sir, what does the Liberal Party say about your stand?
Well, we are liberal. Marami sa amin, no, impeachment ni President Marcos, bumoto ng impeachment laban sa kanya, marami rin hindi.
Nakipag-usap po ba kayo sa ibang LP congressmen katulad ni Kong Laila?
Hindi po nagpapatawag ng pulong ang Liberal Party tungkol dito.
Sir,
Kaya ang ibig po sabihin niya ay maliwanag na may karapatan kami for conscience vote.
Pero sa mga miyembro po ng LP dito sa Kamara, kayo lang po ba yung may ganyang stand?
Hindi ko po alam, hindi nga kami nag-uusap.
Sir, but do you in effect accuse Congresswoman Laila De Lima of taking part in the politicking given how sharp you were in your statement is?
Yeah, you mentioned it in your speech, sir. Parang
Well, whatever it is my stand. Kahit na sino tamaan, kung sino yung bato-bato sa langit, tamaan, huwag magalit.
sir, pero may hard documents kasing present
Yeah.
Like for example, yung COA notice of disallowance.
It was,
Then yung
the
AMLAC.
COA notice of disallowance is not final. And it's not final. It can be appealed in the Supreme Court, in the courts. Pero alam nyo, lumabas yun, wala pang araw kopya ang Office of the Vice President.
How about the AMLAC report?
AMLAC report, it's an agreement, it's not conclusive. I don't think that yet. Ang tingin ko lang, medyo, kung ako lang yung honest opinion ko, medyo pwede lang ang tingnan doon yung non-disclosure ng cash asset.
You
Yun
will
lang.
not